Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 3290 Brunswick. They keep having this backed up every 6 months or so now. It's been getting worse over time. So I'm down here with the camera now. We're going to run the camera through this basement stack. They don't have a yard clean out. So we're down here in the basement. So I'm going to run this through here and see what we got. Be right back. Alright, so we got our cable pushed out to the main here. MSD line. There's a 6-inch clay pipe here. Pull back, show you what it looks like. Very small amount of roots there. Here we are at the transition. This is where it comes a 4-inch cast into 6-inch clay. See, there's a dive here in this clay pipe to make depth for MSD. Got dives a little bit here and there. Here we are in the cast iron. It's real good. Turn in there. Here we are. We got some roots growing in the cast iron here. We'll go ahead and locate this. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located these roots here in the line. In the basement here. It's 1 foot, 8 inches deep. So I'd probably recommend a repair there. So, the only way to get the roots all the way out. Just gonna obviously keep growing back really fast on them, getting worse and worse. So. Got a Y right here. Those 2 lines coming together, going out there. And here we are at the bottom of the stack. So everything outside looked good, and everything we seen that spotted roots, recommend that to be repaired, but other than that, everything else appeared to be in good condition. Alright, thank you.